Hi, you're welcome to Explore Insights. In this video, I'd like to talk about hexadecimal subtraction. In my previous video, I made mention about hexadecimal addition. So if you're interested in that, please go and watch the previous video. So let's get started with this topic, hexadecimal subtraction. For you to better understand this, I would like to take you through two examples. So let's start with example 1. And please, if you're just joining this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you enjoy my content. So without any further ado, let's strike in with the example 1 I've talked about, which is to subtract 5023 from 8165. Both are in hexadecimal form. So the most important thing is if we're subtracting from, so we have this to be the subtrahend and this to be the minor end. So that is to say minor end minus subtrahend. So this is why we have 8165 minus 5021. This is simple. So 5 minus 3 will be 2. 6 minus 4 will be 6 minus 2, will be 4. 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 8 minus 5 will be 3. So at the end of the day, we'll have 3142. So let's go deeper with example 2. Now in this example 2, we are asked to subtract 587C from 974B. Now if we're going with this subtraction, it's important for us to know what is the minor end and the subtrahend. So this becomes the minor end and this becomes the subtrahend. So to that, we'll have 974B minus 587C. So let me go deep to explain what have just happened now. Now this is B minus C. For you to easily subtract from this, you have to convert it in decimal form. So we have this to be 11 and this to be 12. So 11 minus 12 will be impossible. So this is why I said B is less than C. All we need to do is to borrow 1 from 4 and take it over. When you borrow 1 to this value, it becomes 16. So now we are going to have 16 plus 11 minus this 12. So this is 27 minus 12 will give us 15. Now if the 15, you're going to represent it in hexadecimal format. Now 15 literally means F. So this is why we have F. And we go to the next digits. Remember, we've taken 1 here. So 4 minus 1 will give us 3. So we're going to say 3 minus 7. 3 can't go. It becomes impossible. We have to borrow another 1, which I have written with a blue ink to better explain what I'm doing here. Now, if you borrow 1, it becomes 16 in this value. But since you've taken 1, the new value here changes from 7 to 6. What does that imply? It means 7 minus 1 becomes 6. Why to this side? Any carry you have done will change to 16. Why? Because we are processing or we are working on hexadecimal form. So 16 plus 3 minus 7, that's 19 minus 7 will be 12. In hexadecimal form, 12 is C. So I have written C. Let's go to the next one. In this part, we have 6. 6 minus 8 is not possible. So 6 is less than 8. We have to borrow another 1 here. Like I said, in every borrow, it's converted to 16. So it becomes 16 plus 6 minus 8, which is like 22 minus 8, 14. Our 14 will represent it as E. Remember, when you borrowed 1 here, it changed from 9 to 8 because 9 minus 1 will be 8. So at this part, we're left with 8. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. So at the end of the day, our answer will be 3ECF in base 16. I've decided to add one more example. So in this example, we are to subtract AEF from FAB. Now, simple. B minus F, it's not possible. We have to borrow 1. So we will have it as 16 plus 11. Remember, the 11 is coming from B. Now, we will have 27 minus 15, which will be 12. 12 represented as C. Since we borrowed 1 from here previously, which was 10, 10 minus 1 will be 9. So this new value we want to calculate now for will be 9. So 9 minus E is 14. So it's not possible. We have to borrow 1 from F. And when we borrow 1 from F, it will change to E. So when we borrow 1 and bring it over here, it becomes 16. So 16 plus 9 minus 14 will give us 11. And our 11 in hexadecimal form is B. So we'll write B here. And lastly, like we have here to be E, so it will be E, which is 14, minus A, which is 10. So 14 minus 10 will give us 4. So at the end of the day, our answer is going to be 4BC in base 16. I'll be ending the video. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share with your loved ones. Don't forget to watch my previous video and also look forward to watching my subsequent videos. Have a nice time. Enjoy. Bye.